AppGeek, free, open source, and it updates every app on your PC in one go. One dashboard shows what's out of date, what's urgent, and what needs nothing at all. Every update in one list, with security releases flagged, you tick what runs. A catalog of 67 common apps, sorted by category, tick, install, and walk away. It also shows everything installed on the machine, exportable to CSV or HTML. It never acts alone. Scan on a schedule, and pin anything that must not move. It's GPL licensed. Read the code, build it yourself, or fork it. Free, always, at home and at work. Get it at TechyGeeksHome.info/AppGeek.